Aloha Kakahika. Here is our nature report of today. Our first full day of being on the water. Kilo Bay. As we were outside Kumukahi, we saw about a small pod of dolphins jumping all around the canoe, greeting us, giving us the fond farewell as we head off into the Moananui Akea. Right now we're seeing a Kauai Hula flying around, flying out between Hokule'a is right in front of us, flying between the two canoes, carrying aloha between us. There's all kinds of small little storm petrels that are flying around as well. But that's it. No fish yet to report on. Although we do got 4 lines out to see what happens. Last night, beautiful stars. All of our friends shining in the east, west, north, and south, guiding our way to Kahiki. We was having a little bit of a squally weather from about 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. Kind of shifting our winds around, giving us lots of opportunities to change our sails and reef and adjust course and all kinds of good stuff. So action out here, action, lots of good stuff happening, and we're only on day 1. Plenty more to come. Mahalo for following us on our voyage, on this journey, on this ancestral path to Kahiki. Continue to follow us on www.hokule'a.com.